Hi guys, let's start with our ring band. Now you're going to add between next two delicate beads, you're going to add one delicate bead in the same row. So those are delicates in the same row, the same like those delicates are in the same row. Now pick up one delicate and pass through the next delicate in the same row. One. And now we are going to do that again. Two. Pass through the next. Pick up second and now turn your work. We are going to have ring band with 5 beads. So pick up one delicate and pass through the last added delicate. Okay. Pick up one delicate and pass through the next up delicate. This is 4 for now, yeah? Well, pass down through the next delicate in the same row. Okay, turn your work. Now we need here one bead. Pick up one bead and pass through this bead from the previous row. Okay, now we are going to, we can go now back and make a turn and exit through the last added bead, but we are going to do it a little bit different because it's much easier to pass through this bead, then the one on the bezel, and back and exit like this here. So pass through the next up bead and pass down 2, and finally pass back actually through the first added bead in this row. Now turn your work. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Now we are going odd count peyote stitch. I have some knot here on my thread. Okay, 1, 2. So 2 beads are here. Turn your work and let's go. Let's make more rows. 1, and how we said, with the last bead, pass through the next up bead and pass down through the bead from the previous row. Okay. Pick up one bead and pass through the bead from the previous row. Now we are going to make a turn, and that means that we, this is so, wait a moment, I want to show you that better. I'm going to make a turn, so from this bead where my thread exits, yeah, I go down below that bead and then diagonal up, exiting through the bead what is below the bead where my thread where I have to exit. Okay, and exit through the last added bead. Continue like this and make as many rows you need for your ring band. And then in the next lesson we are going to connect. If this is a little bit too loose, this you can always now go through the beads and make it more tight until it's already it's still here at the beginning with the thread. So see you in the next lesson. So bead around you measure it around your finger bead, and then in the next lesson we are going to connect the ring band to the other side. We are going to zip it up. So see you in the next lesson.